Welcome to the Pro Designs YouTube channel. Let's go to the video to see what we are going to do. Open your image and create a text layer. Right-click on the text layer and click on Select Pixels. Make sure to copy selected area by pressing Ctrl+C. And create new layer. Hide the text layer. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Go to the filters and select the vanishing point. And create your perspective. If your perspective is red, it's wrong. Adjust the perspective until blue. Then, press Ctrl+V to paste your text. Now, adjust your text as your own. Now, we can make our text looking more realistic using Blendif. Right-click on the selected layer and go to the blending options. Adjust the underlying layer holding Alt key. That's all.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.